Hello everyone, and welcome back to Entities of Earth. This time we're diving into the incredible world of axolotls. These unique creatures are not just adorable, but also fascinating in their biology. So, let's have a look and explore everything you need to know about these amazing amphibians. First, let's talk about their appearance. Axolotls are easily recognizable with their wide heads, lidless eyes, and the distinctive feathery gills that protrude from the sides of their heads. These gills are pink or red and resemble a branching crown, which makes them look quite otherworldly. They come in several color variations. The most common is the wild type with dark mottled coloring. There are also leucistic axolotls, which are pale with pinkish hues, and albino axolotls, which are completely white with red eyes. When it comes to size, axolotls are relatively small. They typically grow to about 9 to 12 inches in length, which is around 23 to 30 centimeters. Despite their modest size, their unique features and abilities make them stand out in the amphibian world. The axolotl's scientific name is Ambystoma mexicanum, which reflects both its classification and its geographical origin. The genus Ambystoma includes various species of salamanders, known for their ability to retain larval features throughout their lives. The specific epithet mexicanum indicates the species' native region, highlighting its origins in Mexico. In the wild, axolotls are native to the lake systems of Mexico, particularly Lake Xochimilco, located in the Valley of Mexico City. This high-altitude, cool, and nutrient-rich aquatic environment provides the ideal conditions for their aquatic lifestyle. In these lakes, axolotls live among submerged vegetation and aquatic organisms, where they use their feathery external gills to extract oxygen from the water. Their habitat offers a stable environment that supports their unique biological traits and neotenic lifestyle. Axolotls are carnivorous, with a diet that primarily consists of small aquatic animals. In their natural habitat, they feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, worms, and various aquatic invertebrates, such as insects and crustaceans. Their diet is rich in protein, which is essential for their growth and overall health. Axolotls use a suction-feeding mechanism to capture their prey. They extend their jaws and create a vacuum to pull in food, which is then swallowed whole. In captivity, the diet of axolotls is often supplemented with specially formulated pellets designed for amphibians, live worms such as earthworms and bloodworms, and small fish. Providing a varied diet helps ensure that they receive all the necessary nutrients. Axolotls can have an impressive lifespan, particularly in captivity, where they are protected from many of the environmental threats they face in the wild. In a well-maintained aquarium, with proper care, axolotls typically live between 10 to 15 years. This longevity is remarkable, given their small size and the challenges they face in their natural habitats. Speaking of their natural habitats, axolotls face various predators that significantly impact their lifespan and survival rates. Common threats include birds, such as herons and egrets, as well as larger fish and aquatic mammals that may prey on juvenile axolotls. These predators can pose a substantial risk, especially to young axolotls, which are more vulnerable due to their smaller size and lack of developed defensive mechanisms. The presence of these predators, coupled with environmental stressors like habitat degradation and pollution, can lead to decreased populations in the wild. Neoteny is a fascinating biological phenomenon observed in certain amphibians, including the axolotl. where an organism retains its larval features throughout its entire life. In most amphibians, the life cycle includes a metamorphosis from a larval stage to a terrestrial adult form. However, neotenic salamanders, such as the axolotl, bypass this transformation and maintain their juvenile characteristics, such as external gills and an aquatic lifestyle, into adulthood. This retention of larval traits allows these salamanders to remain fully aquatic and continue their development in water, distinguishing them from their metamorphosing relatives. The evolutionary advantages of neoteny are significant. For axolotls, it means that they are adapted to thrive in aquatic environments where they have access to abundant food sources and fewer terrestrial predators. This adaptation allows them to occupy a niche where they can exploit resources without the need to transition to a land-based lifestyle. Neoteny also contributes to their unique regenerative abilities, as their continued development in a stable aquatic environment supports the complex biological processes required for limb and tissue regeneration, a topic which will continue next. Axolotls possess an extraordinary capacity for regeneration, allowing them to regrow lost or damaged body parts with remarkable efficiency. This includes not only limbs, but also more complex structures, such as parts of their spinal cord, heart, and even sections of their brain. When an axolotl loses a limb, for instance, the lost appendage is replaced with a new, fully functional limb that integrates seamlessly with the rest of the body. This process involves the activation of specialized cells called blastomal cells, which proliferate and differentiate to form the new tissue. The axolotl's ability to regenerate entire limbs and internal organs without forming scar tissue is a testament to its sophisticated biological mechanisms and has made it a subject of great interest in the study of regenerative biology. In the wild, axolotls engage in a fascinating and intricate breeding process. During the breeding season, typically in the cooler months, male axolotls attract females through a series of courtship behaviors. This includes displaying their body and performing a kind of dance to showcase their fitness and readiness to mate. Once a female is receptive, the male deposits spermatophores, small gelatinous packets of sperm, on the lake bed. The female then picks up these spermatophores with her cloaca, fertilizing her eggs internally. The fertilized eggs are laid in clusters on aquatic plants or other submerged surfaces. After about 2 weeks, the eggs hatch into larvae, which are fully aquatic and equipped with gills, continuing their development in the water. This breeding strategy ensures that the next generation of axolotls is well suited to their aquatic environment from the moment they hatch. And that is all for today on our journey through the world of axolotls. I do hope you have enjoyed this brief but in-depth presentation. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.